everyone, my name is Ching and this is Kunjak. We will be presenting you our Love Chalanakon project. I will be presenting in English and Kunjak will be presenting in Burmese.
အားလုံးမင်္ဂလာပါဝဲတက်ရောက်ပြီးတော့အားလုံးကျေးဇူးများတင်ပါတယ်ခင်ဗျာကျွန်တော်အချက်ပါဒီနေ့ကျွန်တော်မြန်မာတို့ဒီ Love Channel project ကိုမိတ်ဆက်ပြီးတော့ဖြစ်ပြီးတော့ခွန်ချင်းကအင်္ဂလိပ်ကိုမိတ်ဆက်ပြီးတော့ပြောပါခင်ဗျာ
So Love Chalanakon, let's get started. Love Chalanakon is a rare freehold Chao Phraya Riverside condominium in 2026 and this project is in prime Chao Phraya location just on, and also directly connect to both Silom and Sathorn CBD.
ဒီ Love Channel project တော့1 developer ဆန်စီရီယာမှာဆောက်လုပ်သွားမယ်ဂျိုပွိုင်းကွန်ဒိုပေါ့နော်ဒီ2026မှာ River Side မှာရန်ရှားပါတဲ့ freehold မြေပေါ်မှာတည်ဆောက်သွားမယ်ဂျိုပွိုင်းကွန်ဒိုလေးဖြစ်ပါတယ်ပြီးတော့ဒီစီလုံးစာထုံးတန်ကောက်ရဲ့ပထမဆုံး CBD area ကိုလည်းအလွယ်တကူရောက်ရှိသွားတဲ့ location ထဲမှာရှိရဖြစ်ပါတယ်ခင်ဗျာ
So let's talk about Chalanakon Road. Chalanakon Road is this road right in front of our project. Chalanakon Road also be ranked in the world coolest street, 31 Street by Time Out magazine. And all of the street that has been ranking in Time Out magazine, they have to have a historical stories and also a fast development on the street.
ဒါဒီ Love Chalanakon ဆိုပြီးတော့ Chalanakon လမ်းမကြီးကပြီးခဲ့တဲ့2025ခုနှစ်မှာဒီ Time Out magazine ကနေပြီးတော့ကမ္ဘာပေါ်မှာ coolest အဖြစ်ဆုံး30လမ်းထဲမှာပါဝင်နေဆိုပြီးတော့အတိအမှတ်ပြုခံရတာပေါ့နော်
So I have also picked out some of the coolest street and the Time Out magazine ranked 31. Let's start with the first one. The first one is New York Orchard Street. Orchard Street is also located in the lower east Manhattan of New York and this is one of the most vibrant and creative street, also known for its mixed fashion and boutique trendy of the lifestyle. And the second one is the Baquilo Madrid in Spain. And this particular street is also known for its 19th century architectural design and a high-end luxury district that is famous for all the tourists to go to Madrid. And the third one is in Japan, Tokyo. This is Nishihara Shotengai Road, connected to Shibuya Road. So all of you may already know Shibuya is one of Japan's most famous road. Everyone who go to Tokyo, of course, have to visit Shibuya.
အခုချင်းပြောရတာတော့ခုနပြောတဲ့ coolest ဖြစ်တဲ့ကမ္ဘာပေါ်30လမ်းတရားတွေမှာဥပမာအနေနဲ့3လမ်းလေးဖော်ပြထားတာပေါ့နော်ဒီရဲ့ coolest street ထဲမှာပါဝင်ဖို့ကဒီ history background တွေအပြင်အခုလက်ရှိ modern design တွေနဲ့ lifestyle တွေပူးပေါင်းပြီးမှဒီရဲ့30လမ်းထဲမှာပါဝင်ပြီးအတိအမှတ်ပြုခဲ့တာပေါ့အဲ့တော့လက်ရှိဘန်ကောက်မှာလည်းဒီတလမ်းပဲရှိတယ်စုခွင့်ပေးလို့တော့မှဒီလိုအတိအမှတ်ပြုခဲ့အောင်ဒါလည်းတကယ်အရင်အရေးကြီးတဲ့ point တစ်ခုပေါ့နော်ကျွန်တော်တို့ customer တွေမိတ်ဆက်ပြီးတဲ့အချိန်မှာဒါလေးတွေလည်းထောက်ပြလို့ရတယ်ဘာလို့ဆိုအများစုကစုခွင့်ပေးနဲ့ရင်းနှီးကြတယ်ဒီ Chalanakon မသိကြဘူးဒါပေမဲ့သူကကမ္ဘာပေါ်မှာ coolest အဖြစ်ဆုံး30လမ်းထဲမှာပါတယ်ဒါအရေးကြီးအချက်ပေါ့နော်
And on Chao Phraya River and the stretch of street along the river line, we have also highlighted out from Icon Siam all the way to Asiatique. So what is important here, we have highlighted out some of the important location across, like for example, across Love Chalanakon, we have Four Seasons Chapina Hotel, Mandarin Oriental, and also the newest upcoming, the Ritz-Carlton Hotel. And everything here you can see is from the international big investor who invest a lot of the revenue inside just this stretch of road and Chao Phraya River. So you can see how important this road is to Thailand and international investor.
ဒီ Chalanakon လမ်းမကြီးပေါ့နော်ခုနပြောတဲ့လမ်းတွေအဓိကအရေးကြီးဆုံး area လေ icon ဆရာကနေပြီးတော့ဒီ Asiatic ကြားတွေကတစ်ဖြတ်တွေကတကယ်အရေးကြီးဆုံးနေရာ left Chalanakon နဲ့အထက်မှာရှိတယ်ပြီးတော့ဒီမြစ်ကန်တစ်ဖက်လုံးမှာပေါ့နော်မြင်တွေ့ရမှာတကယ်ကမ္ဘာအဆင့်ကြီး hotel တွေ luxury residence တွေပတ်လေဆောက်ထောင်တွေ့ရအဲ့ဒီမှာဥပမာအနေနဲ့ဆိုရင် Four Seasons တို့ Capella နေရှိမယ်ပြီးအခုဒီ2026မှာဆောက်လုပ်ပြီးစီးသွားမယ် The Ritz-Carlton လုံး1990ဆိုတာရှိရပေါ့အဲ့တော့မြင်တွေ့ရမှာဒီ area ကိုတကယ် foreign investor တွေအရင်ကြိုက်နေတက်ပြီးတော့တကယ်တန်ဖိုးအရင်ရှိတဲ့ဒီ mid cap တစ်ဖက်ပြ area တွေမှာဆောက်လုပ်သွားမယ် project ဖြစ်ပါတယ်ခင်ဗျာ
So let's highlight out one of the newest upcoming hotel, the Ritz-Carlton Hotel. This hotel is going to be the Ritz-Carlton brand most expensive hotel in the whole world. And not only that, they are going to have a high-end luxury wellness being inside to attract a lot of high-end billionaires to stay in this hotel for their health benefit.
အဲ့တော့ဒါဥပမာအနေနဲ့အခု 2026မှာပြီးသွားမယ် The Ritz Carlton Hotel ကတကယ်ကိုကမ္ဘာအသီးသီးမှာလည်းရှိပြီးတော့လက်ရှိဘန်ကောက်မှာဆက်လုပ်ပြီးစီးတော့မယ်ဒီ hotel ကတော့သူဈေးအကြီးဆုံးတစ်ခုဖြစ်သွားမယ်ပြီးရင် wellness ဆိုတဲ့ concept အနေနဲ့ပါဝင်ပူးပေါင်းဆောက်လုပ်တော့မယ် hotel ဖြစ်ပါခင်ဗျာ
And speaking of Chao Phraya Riverbank and Riverside, we have all over the world there are so many riverside and riverfront cities and roads, but we have highlighted out 6 important riverside cities.
ဒါတော့အရေးကြီးဆုံးအပိုင်းလာပြီပေါ့နော်အခုမြင်တွေ့နေရတာဒီကြောက်ဖြံမြင့်မှာရှိတဲ့ night view လေးတော်တော်လေးကိုလာတယ်ပြီးတော့လက်ရှိဒီ2026အထိပေါ့နော်ကမ္ဘာပေါ်မှာဒီ Global Waterfront Luxury District ဆိုပြီးတော့6နေရာပဲရှိတယ်အဲ့ဒီမှာဘန်ကောက်ကဒီထဲမှာပါဝင်တော့မှာပေါ့နော်အဲ့တော့နောက်မှာသူအ6နေရာပါနေရှိလဲဆိုကျွန်တော်ဥပမာအနေနဲ့ပြပြပါမယ်ဥပမာမဟုတ်ဘူးတကယ်ရှိတဲ့6နေရာပေါ့
So what is the 6 cities in the global market? So we have London, Paris, Singapore, Shanghai, Sydney, and of course Bangkok. And every city that have the riverfront that we shown here have one thing in common, and that is all of this have a really high residential area.
အဲ့တော့ဒီ6နေရာကဘယ်မှာနေရှိလဲဆိုတော့ London, Paris, Singapore, Shanghai နဲ့ Sydney တွေမှာရှိပြီးတော့အဲ့ဒီ area တွေမှာဒီမြစ်ကမ်းတစ်ဖက်ပြီးမှစောက်ထားတဲ့ဒီရဲ့ resident တွေကတကယ်ကိုဈေးအမြင့်ဆုံးနေရာ ultra high very high အဲ့လိုနေပဲအမြင့်ဆုံးသွားမယ်လက်ရှိဘန်ကောက်ရဲ့ဒီကြောက်ဖြာမြင့် area ကဒီလိုဖြစ်လာတဲ့နေရာနောက် future မှာတကယ်ကို develop ဖြစ်ပြီးတော့ဈေးအကြီးဆုံး area တွေမှာဖြစ်သွားမယ်နေရာတွေမှာပါတယ်ပေါ့နော်ပေါ်ကပြထားတဲ့နေရာတွေရဲ့ပုံလေးတွေကိုချင်းကဆက်ရှင်းပြပြီးတော့ပါတယ်ပထမတစ်ခုကတော့ London ရဲ့ London Ice area တွေပါ
So let's say London, we have London Eye and the Big Ben on the steam south bank. And Paris, we have Seine River, which also have the Roubaix, the very famous Pyramid Plus, and also Eiffel Tower. And in Singapore, Marina Bay, I mean, everyone knows that one of the most expensive residential places in Singapore. And Shanghai, we have the Bund and also Shanghai skyline. Everyone who's been to Shanghai have already been to this waterfront. And Sydney, we have Darling Harbour, the world famous opera house, is here also.
Okay, ဒီလိုပုံနေတိုင်းပေါ့နော်ကြောက်ဖြာမြက်ကဒီလိုဖြစ်လာတယ်လက်ရှိဒီချော်ရနခွန်နမိုင်နဲ့ဒီကြောက်ဖြာမြက် area ကသူကထိုင်းနိုင်ငံမှာရှိတဲ့စုခွန်းမဲတို့ရောမနိုင်းတို့နဲ့ရှင်တို့မရတော့ဒါတကယ်ကမ္ဘာအဆင့်မီနေရာတွေမှာရောက်လာတဲ့project location တွေဖြစ်ပါတယ်ခင်ဗျာ
And of course, yeah, we cannot forget Bangkok. Bangkok, we have Chao Phraya River over here, connected to Icon Siam, Southeast Asia, most luxurious shopping center. And also for the site location, like I said, the important part of the Chao Phraya River is from Icon Siam all the way to Asia Teak. And we have highlighted out 8 important locations along this road. I mean, along this river.
Okay, အဲ့တော့ဒီကြောက်ဖြာမြက်ချော်ရနခွန်ရဲ့အရေးကြီးဆုံးအပိုင်းက icon ဆရာကနေပြီးတော့ဒီ Asia Teak ကြားထဲကတစ်ဖြတ်လေးပေါ့နော် left ချော်ရနခွန်ကနေအထက်မှာရှိတယ်အဲ့ဒီ location ရဲ့နာမည်အကြီးဆုံးအထင်ကြီးဖြစ်တဲ့ရှစ်ချက်တွေကျွန်တော် point လုပ်ပြထားပါတယ်
So let's start off with the first one, Icon Siam. All of you here have already been here at least once, I believe. And Icon Siam is Southeast Asia's most luxurious shopping center. It can attract up to 100,000 daily traffic, and maximum reach can up to 250,000 of daily traffic. And this project is only 1.7 kilometers away from our project. And of course, we have a shuttle bus service that will take you from the project all the way to Icon Siam. I think this is one of the first projects in the Jalanakon Road that have a shuttle bus service all the way to Icon Siam.
Okay, ပထမတစ်ချက်တော့ icon ဆရာကတော့အလုံးလေးသိကြမယ်ထင်တယ်ဗျ။ဒါတော့လက်ရှိအရှိတောင်အာရှမှာကြီးဆုံး luxury shopping mall တွေတစ်ခုပေါ့။သူရဲ့ဒီ icon ဆရာမှာလည်းနေ့စဉ်ဒီဦးရေးလာရောက်နေပဲတဲ့လူကြီးကအယောက်3သိန်းအထက်ထိရှိတယ်။အဲ့တော့သူဒီလူများတဲ့အချိန်ဆိုရင်ဒီ travel season တွေဆိုရင်2သိန်းခွဲအထိရှိတယ်။တကယ်ကိုလူစီကားလည်းဒီ icon ဆရာကို project location ကနေ 1.7 km ပဲရှိတယ်။အဲ့ဒါကို shuttle bus စီစဉ်ပေးမယ်ဗျ။9မိနစ်ဆက်လက်စီအောင်လည်းရောက်နိုင်တဲ့အကွာအဝေးပြင်လက်ရှိဒီချာရနာခုံပတ်ပတ်လည်မှာရှိတဲ့ project တွေကတစ်ခုတည်းတော့ icon ဆရာကိုဆက်လက်ကြိုပို့ပြီးတဲ့ project ဖြစ်ပါတယ်ခင်ဗျာ
And number 2 is ICS. ICS is also right across Icon Siam. This is an A-grade office building. This office building have hotel, office and shopping center in one whole buildings and can have maximum of 40,000 office worker, which also in the same shuttle bus line from our project. So everyone who work here also is a potential client for renting and buying for our project. So they can take a shuttle bus from home to the work directly.
Okay, နံပါတ်1တစ်ခုကတော့ ICS ပေါ့နော်ပြီးခဲ့တဲ့2025မှာစောက်တဲ့တည်ရှိရတဲ့ icon ဆရာမျက်နှာချင်းဆိုင်မှာရှိတဲ့ဒါ office building အပြင်ကို shopping mall နေလည်းပါမယ် hotel နေလည်းပူပေါင်းဆောက်လုပ်ထားတဲ့ ICS မှာလည်းနေ့စဉ်လူကြီးကအယောက်4000ကျင်တော့လာရောက်နေပတ်တယ်ပေါ့နော်အဲ့ဒီအတွက်ဒီနေရာလည်းတကယ်လူစီကားပြီးတော့ဒီ office building မှာလုပ်တဲ့လူတွေ 1.7 km အတွက်ဆိုတော့ဒီ project မှာလည်းငါအတွက်လာတာရှိတယ်office building ကိုလည်းဖြစ်ပါတယ်သူ့ကိုလည်း shuttle bus ကျုပ်ပို့ပြီးမှဖြစ်ပါတယ်ခင်ဗျာ
And number 3 is BTS Gold Line. This BTS Gold Line is in between Icon Siam and ICS. This is designed to take people from Gruntonbury to easy access all the way to Silom and Sathorn CBD by BTS.
BTS Golden Line ကိုလည်း icon ဆရာမှာရှိရပါတော့သူက3ခုတာတယ်ဒီကနေပြီးတော့အစိမ်းလိုင်း Contemporary Station နဲ့လည်း interchange ဖြစ်ပြီးတော့စီလုံစာထုံးဘက်ကိုသွားမယ်ဆိုရင်3ခုတာလောက်စီးရုံနဲ့ဒီ CBD area ကိုရောက်ရှိနိုင်တဲ့အကွာအဝေးမှာရှိပါတယ်ခင်ဗျာ
And number 4 is the transportation. So in this project we have 3 main transportation: water, train and road. So let's start off with train. It's BTS Gruntonbury. So you already know we have shuttle bus to Icon Siam, and of course we also have another line shuttle bus go to BTS Gruntonbury. This is 2 different separate line going to 2 different locations. And we have this BTS is also only 1.5 kilometers away, so only 5-minute car ride to the BTS Gruntonbury. And waterway, we also have Sathorn Pier and Sapan Taksin Pier, only 1 station from the public pier next to our condo. And the Sapan Taksin Pier is also Bangkok and Chao Phraya River Central Pier. And for the roadway, we are only 2 kilometers from Sapan Taksin, which directly cross to Silom and Sathorn CBD.
transportation အနေနဲ့ဆိုရင်လည်းကုန်းလိုင်းရေလိုင်းရထားလိုင်း3လိုင်းလုံးရှိတဲ့အတွက်တော်တော်လေးကိုအဆင်ပြေရပါတော့ပထမတစ်ခုအနေနဲ့ BTS Contemporary Station ကလည်းစီလုံလိုင်း10အောင်ကိုတိုက်ရိုက်ပေါက်တဲ့အပြင်ကိုတော့စာထုံး area သွားမယ်ဆိုရင်နပူတာ3ခုတာနဲ့စခန္ဓာစင်ပူတာကိုလည်းရောက်လို့ရတယ်ပေါ့နော်နောက်တစ်ခုက10မိနစ်အတွင်းလမ်းလျှောက်ရုံနဲ့သူရဲ့ PR ကိုရောက်လို့ပေါ့နော်ဒီစိတ်ရှိတယ်အဲ့ဒီစိတ်ကနေလည်း icon ဆရာဖြစ်ဖြစ် HRT ဖြစ်ဖြစ်ဘယ်နေရာဖြစ်ဖြစ်သွားလို့ရတယ်ဒါအပြင် Tassin Bridge ဆိုပြီးတော့ဒီရဲ့တရားကို2 km ကားမောင်းရုံနဲ့ over can ကိုပူပြီးတော့စာထုံး area ကိုရောက်ရှိနိုင်တဲ့ location ဖြစ်ပါတယ်ခင်ဗျာ
And number 5 is right across our river over there. So right across the river we have Four Seasons Residence. All of you who do in real estate already know what this condo is. This is a leasehold ultra luxury condo in Bangkok and also Chao Phraya River line. This condo is at least 400,000 baht per square meters. All of them are big units, so you have to buy at least 35 million to own a condo there. But because Love Jananakorn is only right across the river, we have the same view, same amenities, same lifestyle, same everything. And our price only start at 100,000 baht per square meters for the cheapest unit, and the price starting at only 2.67 million for 1 bedrooms.
ငါတခြားတော့ Four Seasons Residence ပေါ့နော်ဒါကလည်း hotel လည်းဖြစ်တယ်လို့ luxury service residence လည်းဖြစ်တယ်ဒါကတော့ဒီ left channel ကခေါင်းရဲ့မျက်စောင်ထုံးတာလေးပါပဲရှိရပါတော့ဒါကခုနပြောသလိုဒီကြောက်ဖြာမြစ်ကန်တစ်ဖက်မှာက free home ကြီးအရင်ရှားတယ်ပြီးတော့တကယ် luxury ဒီ resident district လည်းဖြစ်တယ်အဲ့ဒီအတွက်ဒီ Four Seasons ကအမှတိစုံနဲ့ရောင်းချပြီးတော့ 1 square meter ပတ်လေးတိုင်းထပ်ထိရောင်းချတယ်အဲ့တော့ကျွန်တော်တို့ left မှာကမျက်နှာချင်းဆိုင်ပဲဒီပတ်ဝန်းကျင် amenity တွေခန်းစားခွင့်တွေအတူတူပဲအဲ့ဒါ1 square meter ပတ်သိန်းနဲ့စတင်ဝယ်လို့ရတဲ့ project တွေဖြစ်ပါတယ်တကယ်ကို၄ပုံတစ်ပုံစီလုံးနဲ့ဝယ်လို့ရတဲ့အနေအထားပဲ
And number 6 is only 300 meters away from us. If you go out turn right, is the new Ministry of Interior office buildings. This is their main headquarters opening on Chao Phraya River line. They're already in construction and they are planning to finish end of this year. And this office building can have maximum of 7,000 of government staff and employees. And everyone here, 7,000 people end of this year, starting using next year. Everyone here have to find a place to rent or a place to live. So of course they have to find the nearest place And who this government love? Sansari. So a lot of them will find us for renting. So all of your investment client can expect a high grade, high paying government employee and staff from this office building alone. Only 300 meters walking distance.
မချောက်တစ်ချက်ကတော့ဒါ investor တွေအတွက်အရေးအကြီးတဲ့အချက်လေးပေါ့နော်ဒီ project ကနေပြီးတော့300မီတာနဲ့6ရုံနဲ့ဒီမှာအသေးဆောက်လုပ်တော့မယ်အစိုးရရုံ Ministry of Interior ဒီ2026မှာ PC ရမယ် PC ကလည်းဒီမှာဝန်ထမ်းပေါင်းရောက်9000ရှိတယ်အဲ့တော့ဒီမှာဝယ်ပြီးတော့ပြန်ငါးစားဖို့လို့ပြောဆိုရင်ဒီ9000ကနေပြီးတော့အယောက်900လောက်ပဲလာအောင်ဒီ project ကတော်တော်လေးပြည့်သွားတယ်အဲ့ဒီအတွက်ဒီဥစ္စာကလည်းတကယ် investor အတွက်အရေးကြီးတဲ့အချက်တစ်ချက်ပေါ့နော်ကျွန်တော်တို့ customer တွေငါလို့ရမလားငါတွက်မလားဆိုတာလေးနေထောက်ပြလို့ရတဲ့အချက်တွေပါ
And number 7, International School. International School across the river. I think some of you already see the football field on the riverside. That is Shrewsbury International School. And also close by, we also have King's College International School. Both of these are at least top 10 international school in Thailand. And both of these are also UK system. And each school, the tuition fee per year can cost more than 1 million baht. So like 3 years of tuition fee, you can already buy one unit of the one bedroom here already.
အဲ့တော့နံပါတ်9ချက်လည်းဒါလည်းအရေးကြီးရပေါ့နော်ကလေးနေကြောင်းထားဖို့အတွက်ဆိုရင်တကယ်နာမည်ကြီး international school top 10ထဲမှာပါတယ်တကယ် tier 1 international school Shrewsbury နဲ့ King College နှစ်ခုရှိတယ်ဗျအဲ့ဒီကျောင်းနဲ့ကျောင်းရဲ့ကျောင်းစည်းတွေကတစ်နှစ်ကိုပတ်တန်းကျော်အထိပေးရတဲ့ကျောင်းပေါ့နော်တကယ်တထင်းနေပဲတက်တယ်အဲ့တော့မြင်တွေ့ရမှာဒီရက်ကွက်မှာတထင်းနေလည်းနေထိုင်တယ်ကလေးနေကျောင်းထားဖို့ကအစားဒီလိုပတ်တန်းအထက်ရှိတဲ့ကျောင်းတွေပဲထားကြတယ်အဲ့တော့ဒီကျောင်းမှာ3နှစ်လောက်တက်ရုံနဲ့ left မှာတကယ်ဝယ်လို့ရပြီဗျ
And number 8, Asia Tea. I think if you haven't been there, I think you should at least visit here once in your stay in Thailand. Asia Tea is Thailand's largest entertainment center. This place also have an investor from Universal Studio to build their first in Southeast Asia Juristic World Experience. And this Juristic World Experience attract a lot of foreigner tourism to visit here. And this place on weekday can have maximum of 30,000 daily traffic, and on the weekend can reach up to 50,000 traffic.
ဒီနံပါတ်8တခုကတော့ Asia Tea ပေါ့နော်အားလုံးလည်းယဉ်ကျေးနေကြမယ်လို့ထင်တယ်ဗျအဲ့ဒီ Asia Tea မှာလည်းပြီးခဲ့တဲ့နှစ်မှာအသစ်ဖွင့်နေထားတဲ့ Jurassic World ဒီနှစ်ခုလုံးပေါင်းလိုက်မယ်ဆိုရင်ဒီမှာလာရောက်တဲ့ဘက်တဲ့လူကြီးနေ့စဉ်အယောက် 3000 ထက်ရှိတယ်တကယ်ရုံးပိတ်ရဆိုရင်အယောက် 5000 ထက်ရှိတယ်ပေါ့နော်အဲ့တော့ဒီ area ကတကယ် foreigner ကြိုက်တဲ့အပြင် local တွေကလည်းအများနဲ့လာရောက်တဲ့ဘက်တဲ့ area ခုလည်းဖြစ်ပါတယ်ဗျ
And this map just to sum up everything that I have introduced to you into one single map. So you can use this map to give all of the information I just give you to all of your clients to see how important this stretch of Chao Phraya River is to your both investor client and residential client.
ဒီဒါတော့ခုနပြောခဲ့တဲ့အရေးကြီးအချက်အားလုံးကိုဒီမြေပုံတစ်ခုထဲမှာခြုံပြီးတော့ဖော်ပြပေးထားတာပေါ့နော်ဒါပွဲပြည့်နေကျွန်တော်အားလုံးကို share ပေးလို့ရတယ် customer တွေကိုပုံတစ်ပုံထဲနဲ့ရှင်းရှင်းလေးလေးပြောပြလို့ရပါတယ်
And this is also to show that we have 2 shuttle bus line that go to both BTS Kuntanburi and Icon Siam. 2 shuttle bus line. This is really important because I don't think there's any condo project in Chao Phraya line that have 2 shuttle bus going to BTS and Icon Siam.
shuttle bus ကလည်းနည်းနည်းအောင်ကျူပို့ပြီးရပေါ့နော်ဒါပေမဲ့တော့ပတ်ပြီးသွားတာမဟုတ်တလိုင်းစီနောက် icon ဆရာကိုသွားမယ်ဆိုရင်တစ်စီနောက်ထပ်ဒီ BTS သွားမယ်ဆိုရင်နောက်တစ်စီအဲ့လေတော်တော်လေးအဆင်ပြေတဲ့ဒီကျူပို့ပြီးတဲ့ service ပေါ့
So this is just to sum up everything that I told you about for the Chao Phraya River front land, because all the land in the Chao Phraya River front is really rare to get any land to build any high-rise condo, even for a freehold condominium. I mean, you can barely see like any new project on the Chao Phraya. Everything you see is in Sukhumvit. On Chao Phraya River, it's quite rare to see anything, even freehold.
ကျောက်ပြိုင်မြင့်တဲ့ဖက်မှာကမြေအရန်ရှားတယ်ပြီးတော့အဓိက freehold မြေကပူရှားတာပေါ့နော်ဒီမြေကဲ့ရမှာ project တစ်ခုထွက်လာဖို့ကတော်တော်လေးအချိန်ယူရတယ်စုခုမဲ့လိုမျိုးမဟုတ်ဘူးတစ်နှစ်မှာ3ခုလောက် project တက်လာလို့ရတယ်ဒီမှာအလုံးစုံ3နှစ်မှာတစ်ခုလောက်ပဲ project အတစ်ပုံဆောင်လို့ရတာအဲ့တော့ဒီ left chapter တော့ခေါင်းကလည်း Sansari top developer ကနေပုံဆောင်လာမယ်ဂျိုဘိုက်ကိုလည်းဖြစ်ပါတယ်ခင်ဗျာအဲ့ဒါကြီးနောက်တစ်ပုံမှာပြပြီးမှတော့ဒါဒီမှာမြင်တွေ့ရမှာဒီ left အဓိကအရေးကြီးဆုံးနေရာပေါ့နော် icon ဆရာကပြီးတော့ Asia Tea ကြားထဲမှာမြေအလို့မရှိတော့ဘူး ဒီမှာအကုန်လုံးပေါ်ပြပေးပါပြီအဲ့တော့ဒီတကွက်ရောင်းလေတကွက်နဲလေအဲ့ဒါကြောင့်မလို့ဒီအရင်ရှားပါတယ်ကြိုက်တယ်ကိုလိုမလို့ဝယ်ထားပြရဗျ
So what Gojek is saying is from Icon Siam to Asiatic, you can see Love Jelanakon is in the middle, and everything in between you can see all the letters. Everything here is already developed. So you can see like there are barely any like empty land left to develop into like one of the most important stretch of river in Thailand or even like in one of the Southeast Asia. And so to get a condo like this in freehold in Jelanakon riverfront, I don't think you will see this like anytime soon in the near futures. And also our project, like I said, just to emphasize, we also easy access to Sapan Taksin, crossing to Silom and Sathon CBD because this space is Bangkok CBD 1.0s and have nearly 2 million square meters of office area here and have more than 20 embassies all over Sathon and Silom. And 10 of the biggest bank headquarters is also located near the water and also in Silom and Sathon.
project location ကစီလုံးစာထုံးကိုအလွယ်တကူရောက်ရှိလို့တွားလို့ရတဲ့အတွက်ဒီပထမဆုံး CBD area လေးဖြစ်တော့အဲ့နေရာမှာတကယ်ဘဏ်တွေရဲ့ head office 10ခုကျော်ရှိတယ်နောက်ထပ် embassy ဒီတန်ရုံးကိုအခု20နိုင်ငံအခု20ကျော်ထိဒီပတ်ဝန်းကျင်မှာရှိပြီးတော့ဒီ location က office building 2 million square meter 2 million square meter အဲ့လောက်ဒီ office area တွေများတော့ဝန်ထမ်းပေါင်းနေတဲ့အများများတယ်ဒီ area မှာလည်းသူကအငါလေးတွက်မဲ့ location တွေထဲမှာလည်းပါတယ်
So let's look at the price growth in Chao Phraya River Line or the condominium. So in the past 20 years, all the land in Chao Phraya River have grown annually up to 15 to 20% for each year. And the reason of the growth is because let's see the peak. The peak is around 2016. So the 2016 Seabree have also marked 2016 as the year that start the 300,000 baht per square meters condo for the Chao Phraya Riverfront luxury condo.
ဒီပုံကပေါ်ပြထားတာတော့ CBI ကနေပြီး market research လုပ်ထားတာပေါ့နော်ဒီ2005ခုနှစ်ကနေပြီးတော့2025အထိသူ့ရဲ့ဒီ per square meter ဈေးဒီမြေဈေးရောကွန်ဒိုဈေးတွေရောအကုန်လုံးပေါ်ပြီးထိုးတက်သွားတာပြီထိုးတက်သွားတော့ဝင်တွေ့ရမှာပေါ့နော်2025မှာပြန်ညဒီပတ်ဝန်းကျင်ကကွန်ဒိုဈေးတွေက1 square meter ကို3တိတ်ထက်ထိရှိအဲဒီခု left ကတိတ်စုံစုံလေးနဲ့ဝယ်လို့ရတဲ့အနေအထားရှိပါပြီ
So this is all the competitor around the Chao Phraya Riverfront line. You can see most of them is already sold out, and there aren't many condo developed. Like it's not like every year you're going to get a new condo in Chao Phraya River. It's not like Sukhumvit or any place else. So most of this condo that is sold out, you can see all the way from 2012, the river. This condo at 2012 is like 160,000 baht per square meters, like more than 10 years ago. And the currently selling Live Jelanakon is already selling at 150,000 baht per square meters for the minimum fee, and Four Seasons is already at 400,000 baht per square meters. All of these are in the same location. Live Jelanakon is already across the road. Like it's not like us on the riverfront. And Love Jelanakon, like we are starting a lot lower than all the market prices, and we are also one of the few land left that can develop high-rise freehold condominium, and especially from Sansari.
ဒီပတ်ဝန်းကျင်မှာခုနပြောတဲ့အတိုင်းပြည်လဲရှားတယ်3-4နှစ်လောက်မှ project တစ်ခုထွက်တယ်ပေါ့နော်လက်ရှိဒီမှာပေါ်ပြထားတော့ဒီပြီးခဲ့တဲ့နေ့ကလွန်ခဲ့တဲ့2012 19 18ဆောက်ခဲ့တဲ့ကွန်ဒိုနီယာအကုန်လုံးကစိုးအောက်ဖြစ်သွားပြီလက်ရှိပတ်ဝန်းကျင်မှာရောင်းနေတဲ့ project တစ်ခုပဲရှိ Live Jelanakon သူရဲ့အယောင်ဈေးရတယ် 1 square meter တိမ်ခွဲအထက်ကနေစရောင်းနေရပါတော့အဲ့ဒါကတော့မှမြင့်ကက်ရက်မဟုတ်ဘူးဒီ Jelanakon ရဲ့မျက်နှာချင်းဆိုင်လမ်းမ area မှာစောင့်တဲ့ project တော့အဲ့လောက်ထိပြရတယ်လက်ရှိ left ကတကယ်ကိုစီးတန်တယ်စီးလည်းမချမ်းတက်တော့ပဲ
So I just want to give a conclusion for the project itself. The project Love Jelanakon, EIA already approved. Construction already started behind us. Where you park is where the construction is. And Love Jelanakon, because it's Sansari is also joint venture with Mitsui Fudosan. Mitsui Fudosan is top Japanese developer, so a lot of people have a lot of trust in Mitsui Fudosan. And Love Jelanakon is also emphasizing on the people and pets and the well-being of the residents.
Love Jelanakon project က EIA approve ဖြစ်သွားပြီအခုလည်းစပြီးတော့ဒီ2နှစ်ပြီပေါ့နော် construction ကစတော့မယ်ဒီ ဒီ project အတွက်က Sansiri ထိုင်းနိုင်ငံရဲ့ top 1 developer နဲ့ဂျပန်က Mystery Fudosan ဆိုတဲ့နာမည်ကြီးနှစ်80ကျော်ရှိပြီတကယ် top 1 developer ကမ္ဘာအတီးတီးမှာလည်းသူတို့စောက်လုပ်ထားတဲ့အဆောက်အဦတွေရှိတယ်ပေါ့နော်တကယ် top developer နှစ်ခုကဒီ corporate လုပ်ပြီးစောက်ထားတဲ့ project ဆိုတော့ဒီ quality အပိုင်းတွေရောငလင်တန်ကြောက်တဲ့နေရာမှာဂျပန်ကကျွမ်းဆုံးပဲအဲ့ဒီအတွက်လုံးဝစိတ်ပူကြမလို့လေတကယ်အကောင်းဆုံး project လေးဖြစ်ပါခင်ဗျာပြီးတော့ဒီကြောက်ပြားမြင့်တောက်ရှာဒီ general ကုန်းပတ်ဝန်းကျင်မှာတခုတည်းတော့ပတ်အလောက်ဖြစ်တဲ့ project လေးနဲ့ဖြစ်ပါခင်ဗျာပြီးတော့အနောက်မှာတော့ project information နဲ့ဒီ layout လေးတွေပေါ့နော်အဲ့ဒါခွန်ချင်းကပဲဒီအသေးစိတ်လေးအင်္ဂလိပ်လိုမိတ်ဆက်ပေးတော့မှာဖြစ်ပါခင်ဗျာအားလုံးကျေးဇူးများတင်ပါတယ်
So let's talk about the project information. If you want to take note, you can also do, but if you want, we can also send you the presentation later. So the project information, the land is 6.8 right, approximately 11,000 square meters, and we have two buildings, building A and building B. Building A is going to be a 44-story high-rise condominium, and building B is going to be a low-density, low-rise 7th-floor condominiums. So the parking lot is 525 car park, around 47 ratio percent parking. We have three different type of units. We have simplex, loft, and sky resident penthouse. So simplex we have from studio 26 square meters all the way up to 3 bedrooms on every corner of the floor, 96 square meters. And loft we have from 35 square meters 1 bedrooms and up to 85 square meters 2 bedroom 2 bathroom loft. And for the Sky Resident Penthouse, Sky Resident Penthouse 2 bedrooms, 65 square meters, up to 168 square meters, 3 bedroom penthouse. And the penthouse going to have 3 meters ceiling height. So the floor difference is going to be like this. So the residential will start on 7th floor. First to 6th is going to be car park. And the floor that we are selling right now is 8, 12, 22, 37, and 43. So 8 is going to be above swimming pool. So people who buy into riverfront side, you also get the swimming pool view as well. And 12th floor will have a beautiful view of the Javia River. 37 is going to be loft, and 43rd is going to be the resident penthouse. So the common areas fee is 45 baht on the first year, so really cheap. And second year is 55, and the third year is 60 baht per square meters. And the sinking fund is 500 baht per square meter. So you can see the common areas fee is already well below a lot of the competitors around this area. And for the pets part, so the pet friendly floor we have is 12th floor and the Sky Residence 43rd floor, and also B building the whole floor. The floor we are selling is 6th floor on B buildings. So for pets, under 80 square meters is 1 pet, over 80 square meters is 2 pets. And the pet registration fee is 5,000 baht and the annual fee is 3,600 baht. Pets cannot be higher than 30 centimeters and cannot be heavier than 15 kilograms. And it can only be cat and dog, I'm afraid. So if you have snakes, bird or something like, it's not technically allowed. So only pets and dog, just to remind you, like all your clients. And also because this project we have up to like 1,111 units. It's a large unit. It's a large project. We have more than 30 facilities all over the project. We have 4 gardens, 2 swimming pool, and 2 sky lounge. So let's talk about the front garden first. So the front part of the garden in the front of the condo is roughly around 1,800 square meters. So on the front corner, on the right side, we have a basketball court, a badminton court, and a pickleball court. And left to that, we have a pet park, and behind the activity area, we have Siri Garden. Siri Garden, for those of you who don't know, Siri Garden is where Sansiri jurisdict will plant some herb and spices for all the tenants to use. So on the left will be the activity club, and the middle is the pet park, and the right side will be the entrance garden and the lobby. So entering the lobby, you can see all the lobby design. The color tone is quite similar to the Seoul Gallery right now, but it will be a lot bigger and a lot more grand. And all of this lounge will have a lot of working spaces, office room and meeting rooms. And we have 2 swimming pools. So 2 swimming pool is going to be on 7th floor. 7th floor is going to be a big one, a 30 meters long swimming pool. And the 37th floor swimming pool, the sky pool, is mainly for looking at all over Chao Phraya River view. It's a 270 degrees view of Chao Phraya River. You don't really get like a sky view in Chao Phraya River anyway. So like this is one of the like few one in Chao Phraya River. And speaking of Sky Lounge, we have one in 38th floor. So we have a working spaces on 38th floor, and the gym is also above the swimming pool. We have gym, Pilates room, and yoga room. And on the rooftop of the project, we have a Sky Lounge and a garden. And one of the selling point of this is Sky Lounge and garden is also pet accessible. So people who live in building A and building B who have their pets, they can bring their pets up all the way to the Sky Lounge and the Sky Garden. Just maybe put on a leash so they don't jump over something. And on building B, because the whole building is pet friendly, and we are selling on 6th floor, so we designed a rooftop garden for the pet owner on B building to have their pets do their activity and business. So let's look over the floor plan. So this is the master floor plan. You can see the lounge in the middle of the buildings. And coming up to the 7th floor, this is the 7th floor swimming pool. So every client who buy the unit here and here can have a swimming pool view above the 7th floor, and they can have a lot more privacy than actually being on the 7th floor. And people who buy on this side also get the front garden of the project. So you're not looking to nothing, you're looking to the front garden of the project. And this will be the floor separation. So all the blue part, all the green part here are 2 bedrooms, and the rest of the blue part are 1 bedrooms. We have 1 bedroom plus studio. They have so many units to choose from. And this corner on every single floor is the large 3-bedroom, 3A unit. So this is the view on the 12th floor. So a lot of your clients will say like, oh, 12th floor too low, cannot see Chao Phraya. You can show them this full view of Chao Phraya River. There's no excuse. Like you can see clearly from our drone view. And this is on the higher floor. From 21st floor up, we have 22nd floor for sales. The only major difference is there are extra 2-bedroom on this side. And what is the benefit of this side? This is looking at Asiatique. So looking at Asiatique, you can see it will look this way. Asiatique, every New Year's, every Loi Krathong, they will have like a huge firework, like every single years. And this is the 31st floor. This is just to compare around for the 22nd floor view, so you can see like there aren't any like major difference on the floor like view. And this is the 37th floor loft unit. So it's connected directly to the swimming pool on the 37th floor. And on this side, this unit, and this unit are all the 2-bedroom loft unit. 80 square meters is huge. I mean, the bedroom itself is really large, and like you don't really like feel cramped inside because the ceiling height is 4.7 meters. So if you want to feel what is that, you can also go look at the show unit later. And this is the view from the 37th floor on swimming pool and the loft resident. And on the penthouse, we only have 7 units. And right now, our biggest penthouse, unfortunately, is already sold. It's up here. But you also have a lot of options here for the 3 bedrooms. For starter, this 3-bedroom is only 22 millions. For 111 square meters, 2 millions. And this side, City View 2-bedroom, is even under 10 million. So you can have penthouse looking at the full view city, 43rd floor for under 10 million is quite hard to find, like even in anywhere. So this is the sky view of the 43rd floor. This is the riverside. You can see I think you can actually see all the way to Sukhumvit. And this is the city side to the Gung Thonduri. This view is comparable to Sukhumvit view. And this is the B building. B building is a low density, only 42 units. This one is more for a private owner. So like if you want more privacy and you want to live with your pets, you don't really care about the amenities, this is great for that kind of client. And we have 7 units, and this unit is already sold. So we have 6 1-bedroom in between on 6th floor. So let's look at the unit layout. This is the smallest studio. So the smallest studio for a lot of people may feel like too small or too cramped, but all of the sensory unit right now we have changed the design into a wide unit. So upon entering, you will feel wide, not like narrow and long. Right now we just try to do everything to be a wide unit. And this is normal 1-bedroom, same as the show unit. So you can just visit the show unit later. This is the B building, 1 bedrooms, quite similar to the show unit right now. And this is the 1F unit. 1F unit is a 1 bedroom plus on a corner unit. So on the plus room, you also have a corner glass. So this is loft. Loft will be also the same as the show unit. And this is the big 1 bedroom loft. So the different part is you have a separate closed kitchen and you also have a walk-in closet on the second floor. And this is the large 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom loft unit. So you can see the space between the bed and the television is quite huge. So when you enter the second floor bedroom, like you don't feel crowded, you don't feel like you cannot walk through the bed or something. This is quite wide. This is like already like a duplex. And this is the 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom. This is currently the cheapest 2 bedroom. It's only 1 unit per floor. So if your client have a low budget and still want 2 bedroom, this is their option. It even have a closed kitchen to the right side. This is a conventional 2 bedroom, the same as our show unit. And the main part, this is the same layout as the show unit. We also have a different layout for our Asian market. So the different layout for our Asian market is a closed kitchen. Everything else is the same, just only the closed kitchen part. So like we try to favor Asian market as well. And this is the 2 bedroom penthouse that I told you is under 10 million baht. And the ceiling height is also 3 meters high, and you have a huge kitchen island, huge living space. Also, I also want to note, the penthouse also have a bathtub and 2 sinks. So this is the render image for the penthouse 2 bedroom. Floor to ceiling window all the way, 3 meter ceiling height, wide living spaces. And this is the penthouse, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. So you have an extra corner glass here to view all of Chao Phraya River. And you also have, you can put like some extra working table there. And this is another 3 bedroom, 3 bathroom. This one is designed to have a huge and long balcony. And this is the largest penthouse, but sorry, this one is already sold. So the furniture's package, every unit here will have fully furnished RFC sensory package, furnitures, electrical appliances. Everything is already included, so the client after buying can ready to move in or can ready to rent it out right away. So all the furniture set will be different depending on the unit size and the unit layout. So these are the appliances. So the appliances, every room have at least like 5 appliances. TV, refrigerator, microwave, washing machine and water heater. All 5 essential are included in every unit. But every unit, for example, 2 bedroom can have extra TV. So how to buy the condo? How to buy is, the booking fee is different. So 1 bedroom and 1 bedroom plus is 100,000. 2 bedroom is 200k, 3 bedroom 300k, and the penthouse is 500k regarding of 2 or 3 bedroom. If it's penthouse, 500k booking. And after booking 15 days, client must pay 30% down payment, and the remaining 70% is paid when the project is complete in 2029 quarter 2. So this will be all of our project information. If you have any question you want to ask, and also our project will increase the
We have the price increase plan like right now only 500 square meter left for increase 3%. First increase 3% by unit price.
Yes, and each unit will have a different ratio of increase. So only 500 square meters left. So you gotta be quick to get the first price and the first cheapest price.
Yes, maybe next 2 days or today.
Maybe even less. I'm not sure. Depending on how fast we get a client. And before the project is complete in 2029 quarter 2, the price will increase at totally increase 16% by us.
The project ကလက်ရှိကတော့စီအသက်တာဆုံးချိန်ပေါ့နော် project ပြီးတဲ့အထိ developer ဘက်ကနေပြီးတော့အမခံတာ16%ဒီစီတက်ဖို့ရှိတယ်။လက်ရှိပထမတစ်ချိန်စီတက်ဖို့ကတော့900 square meter ပဲကျန်တော့မယ်ဗျ။အဲ900 square meter ပြီးရင်တော့ 3% တစ်ချိန်စတက်မယ်။ပြီးရင်နောက်3000 square meter တစ်ခေါက်ပြီးတိုင်းတော့ 3% စီတက်အောင်မှာဖြစ်ပါမယ်ဗျ။ Okay အဲ့တော့အားလုံးကျေးဇူးအများကြီးတင်ပါတယ်ဒီနေ့လာပြီးတဲ့အတွက် information အသေးစိတ်နဲ့ဒီ project ဒီရဲ့ slide လေးတွေလို့ရှိရင်ကျွန်တော်တို့ sale တွေကို contact လုပ်ရပါတယ်ခင်ဗျအားလုံးကျေးဇူးအများကြီးတင်ပါတယ်ခင်ဗျာ
Yeah, thank you so much for listening.